language and repeat exactly what my dear friend said. 11%. Please look, Excel is asking for value 1. So take this and adjust it for this. When you drag from minus 20, Excel was assuming that 20 is at the end of year 1. Please go back and check with your organizations. And now, please note, start with value 1, 2, 3, adjust for value 0. I want to again raise my voice. I am going on record saying this. I used to do it like this. Till one of the kids back there in college, he finished it 2 minutes earlier in the modeling course. And they said, there's a difference, farak hai. And he was polite to come and talk to me after the lecture, right? He didn't want to disturb my lecture. So there can't be a difference. Then I realized after some time in industry, and please note, my humble request to you all is, please check that there will be a difference. Because Excel, the way it is coded, is it wants the value 1, not value 0. Having said this, NPV positive, you will accept. The problem with NPV is, it gives you a number. It does not give you a percentage. And that's exactly where we will have this very nice concept of IRR. The problem with NPV senior is NPV gives you a number. Now if I talk to sir and ask him, sir, what is the inflation rate? Sir will say 9%. If I talk to a dear friend, Mr. Pradav, I'd say, how much is the SBI deposit giving you? He'll say, Mr. Menon, 8%. If I talk to dear Krishna, I'd say, sir, you have taken a loan for your company. What is the rate of interest? He'll say 12%. So in finance, this percentage has got into our ingrain, which is where NPV, since it gives a number, we are not comfortable. So we have defined a new thing. I need 10 minutes of your time because I have to say something about IRR. They have defined a new measure, which is IRR. But even before I start with IRR, I've just tweaked it a bit because I wanted to answer it before my two colleagues leave. IRR is a measure which everybody uses, but very few understands. What is IRR? IRR is nothing but internal rate of return. What is IRR? IRR is because, now let me explain this, right, step by step, and I'll allow to take questions as usual, right. Thank you again for that NPV, sir. Please note that, please note that NPV, you can't take year 0, right, you cannot take year 0, that's wrong. IRR is nothing but internal rate of return. What is IRR is, what you are technically doing is, you are setting NPV to 0. You are setting NPV to 0 and then you are calculating R. One equation, one unknown. Yes, earlier the unknown was NPV. You gave R. That time, your entire thinking of that R when you were calculating NPV was, you are saying this is cost of capital. You are saying this is cost of capital. I said you borrowed at 11%, 20 million. So it was cost of capital. Another term that we use is when you calculated NPV, that R was cost of capital. Another term that we use is, it is nothing but, earlier when calculating NPV, it was nothing but, I'll put it here, WACC. Weighted average cost of capital. Jargon. For those of you who are wondering the jargons, one of the last few jargons I want to introduce, explore. When Mr. Mayank was calculating NPV, Pawan sir said, "Arey WACC lena hai yaar tum." WACC. What is WACC? Weighted average cost of capital. What is weighted average cost of capital? I'll again take 2 minutes, and I want to involve Sharad sir in this discussion. Sharad sir, out of this 20 million, right, I just need a response, senior. Out of this 20 million, 10 million, out of this 20 million, 10 million, you are getting it at 9%. Okay, let me make it as a case to simplify it. See, I go to Mr. Pranav. He says, Mr. Menon, I know you very well. I'll give you a loan at 9%. But I have only 10 million to lend to you. But I need 20. So I go to Mr. Arun and say, can you lend 10 million? He is kind enough to say, yes, I'll lend. But Mr. Arun does not know me that well. I hope I'm simplifying it. So what he says is, Mr. Menon, I don't know you that well. So what I'm going to do is, I'll make it more easier for you, sir. Right? 9%. For you, I'll still lend, provided you pay me 13%. So 10 million, I got it from a friend at 9%. Another friend, unfortunately, I got it at 13%. What is my average cost, sir? Nahin jama, sir? No problem, sir. Maybe my example was not good enough. Let's take this as 10% and 12%. Sir, it's been quiet throughout. I just want to connect. Thank you. You took an average, sir. And Pranav, but then, okay, that goes without saying, right? You took an average. Some of you all quickly got the first case right? But that was expected. Sir, you took the average. Now what I'm doing is, now I'm taking this as 12 and 8. You still will calculate average. Only thing is you're going to calculate WACC. Weighted average, that's it. And 12 into 10% plus 8 into 12% divided by 12 plus 8. Please note a weighted average cost of capital is different sources of funding. As simple as that. Two concepts. You may, here I have taken loans from two friends. I may decide that 12 million will be my debt. 8 million will be my equity. In which case, I am going back to a very important decision. How am I funding this 20? How am I funding this 20 minus 20? Because I am spending. Depending on the capital structure. Here I have some, this is for you also, sir. Always a pleasure. Sir, please note, then you have to estimate what is this cost of equity. Concept remains same. You will calculate WACC. But the cost of equity, humble request, in all Indian transactions, please note, cost of equity, I'm going to rub this, yeah, this is WACC. Cost of equity is going to be, I want to keep all the three for you all, so I'm going to use this space here. Cost of equity in India, equity is obviously costlier than debt. That goes without saying. What I'm going to look at some friends and say is, for your calculations, cost of equity, please take it in the range of 20 to 24%. That's the accepted industry norm. That's the accepted industry norm. I'm not getting into beta and CAPM and all that, right? I'll be open to talk about that, but I'm not getting into that. But I only wanted to tell you all that. If you are saying equity, Pranavji, please use a figure, sir, between Ashishji, between 20 and 24%. Anything less than 20%, these colleagues will ask questions. Anything more than 24%, your client will not like it, because you are adding up his cost. 20, I can derive it for you, sir, but I'm not getting into derivation. I came here to look at a colleague, so this is nothing but your CAPM, capital asset pricing model. I'm not getting into capital asset pricing model. I need to tell you all that cost of equity, if you say equity 8 million, take the range as 20 to 24%. Please note, debt adjusted for tax, and then you will get it somewhere in the range of 7 to 10% or whatever, adjusted for tax, Before I take questions, I saw some hands up, which is always a pleasure. I also want to say something, sir. So WACC, one last time. WACC stands for weighted average cost of capital. When you calculated NPV, you used WACC, weighted average cost of capital. Mr. Sharad answered how we took the weights. I changed the numbers and I said this time I'm going to finance through equity. Moment I said I'm going to finance through equity, then all that you need to ask is what is cost of equity? Cost of equity will be in the range of 20 to 24%. Having said this, ma'am, please note, sir, please note, and I think your organization, I'm not sure, but I have seen some group companies use it. of your esteemed organization. Hindustan Lever definitely does it. MNCs do it. They don't use WACC. They use what is known as hurdle rate. Some more jargons, last few jargons. Hurdle rate. What is hurdle rate? What is hurdle rate? What is hurdle rate? Thank you. Bare minimum, thank you. Hurdle rate is simple, nothing but you are comparing it, Mayanji, sir, to a hurdle race. So Hindustan Lever says, my WACC is 12%. But if I do projects at 12%, ma'am, I am doing business for the banks. I am not doing business for the banks. 12% to cost of capital hai na? Thank you. I want to earn 3% over cost of capital, 6% over cost of capital. भाई मुझे भी कुछ रिटर्न मिलना चाहिए ना? My hurdle rate, Ashish ji, is 18%. That means, what is hurdle rate, dear friends? Minimum, sir said minimum. It is nothing but WACC plus risk premium.